Sabaha everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about the Galaxy Note 9 and the IP68 rating. We're going to do a pool test. My son and I are going to be having fun with this. I try to do this with every Galaxy phone that comes out, so let's not waste any time and get into the pool. This is TK. Let's check it out. Here it is, the Note 9, the brand new S Pen. Everything is in there. We're gonna go ahead and test it out in the pool. My accomplice is in the back. He's ready to play. Let's check it out. One, two, three. How was that? So that's it for the video. Overall, the phone works exactly as it's advertised. The IP68 definitely is rated for basically fresh water. Don't try this in the ocean. This is only basically rated like pool water or regular water around the house. The S Pen does work in the sense of just touching on the display when you're underwater, as standard touching kind of gets disabled. It's a Wacom display, so the S Pen works. Bluetooth does not work, so you cannot initiate it. My accomplice is right there. Other than that, Super Slow-Mo was a hit and miss. Because of the new implementation of Super Slow-Mo with the new devices, it's hard to catch an entire scene and just have a standard Super Slow-Mo. Obviously, 960 frames per second, it's very fast. So in some of the shots that I was able to do with my son, as you guys saw already, he didn't even leave the platform before the shot was actually over from Super Slow-Mo. Other than that, of course, you can shoot in 4K, all of that. Taking pictures underwater, you just use either the actual set it up in a video and then snap a picture from there, or if you can also use the volume rockers on the actual phone to be able to snap a picture. That's also very nice. And then, of course, if you have an accomplice like my son, it's always a lot of fun in the pool. Like and subscribe as usual. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. You want to say anything to the guys?
Okay.
Another time. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have fun.